What's up guys, Pedro here, and I'm headed to the brew store because today we're going to be making some strawberry wine. What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video I'm going to show you how to make some strawberry wine. And I've decided to enlist the help of a professional winemaker. He's given me the recipe for a 25-gallon batch, which I've done the math to make it a 5-gallon batch. I'll put the recipe for the 5-gallon batch in the description below. So let's get into the video. If you decide to go with fresh strawberries, you need to wash them first. These strawberries are from the local strawberry patch. It's about a half mile from the house. Now, if you're using frozen strawberries like I bought from Sam's, actually I had my wife pick them up at Sam's, you don't have to wash them and cut them because it's already done. You want approximately 3 pounds of fruit for every gallon of wine that you want to make. Add your fruit to the fermenter. Okay, once you get your fruit in your fermenter, it's time to start smashing it. I just used a regular old potato masher. Okay, so on the Potassium Metabisulfite, you want to put, for a 5-gallon recipe, you want to put just under a quarter of a teaspoon. It calls for a quarter of a teaspoon for a 6-gallon of must. And we're using 5 gallons, so I put just a shade shy of a quarter teaspoon. On the Yeast Nutrient, you want to put a teaspoon per gallon of must, so that's 5 teaspoons of Yeast Nutrient. The Pectin Enzyme, you want to put, for this size batch, you want to put 26 grams, which is just under an ounce. It's 0.92 of an ounce. Okay, so I forgot to buy the tannins to put in here. Talked to my go-to guy. He said I could put a tea bag in the must and just leave it in there for a little while and then pull it out. Or I could make a cup of tea and pour it in there. So I'm going to make a cup of tea and pour it in the must. Make sure to stir everything in real good. This recipe calls for 2.12 pounds of sugar per gallon. That makes it 10.6 pounds of sugar. This recipe calls for 3.2 gallons of water. After adding the water, you want to stir everything up really good. I covered my must, but I did not seal it for 24 hours. You want to wait 24 hours after adding your Potassium Metabisulfite. You want to wait 24 hours after adding that before you introduced your wine yeast. Now to add your wine yeast, I wasn't here for this. I was out of town working. So my wife did it for me, but what she did was she took a cup of the must and stuck it in the microwave for 1 minute on high. Then she added the wine yeast to it, stirred it up, let it set for a few minutes. After she let it set for a few minutes, she poured it back into the must, stirred it up in the must, and then she put the lid on and sealed it, and then she put the airlock on it. Okay, so my wife did all this on Monday of this week. And this is what it looks like now. As you can see, it's doing really well. I'm thinking about doing either a blueberry or a blackberry wine next. Y'all let me know which one you'd like to see. This was part 1 of a 3-part series. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll answer them just as quickly as I can. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.